Coach of St. Jago's girls football team, Kadish Fishley, has cast a doubt over whether the ISA Schoolgirls football competition could go ahead this season due to low COVID-19 vaccination numbers. Fishley says as things stand, her team is one of those affected by the low numbers, and she's aware of other institutions who are struggling with the same issue.
I don't think we'll be able to have a quality competition because I think what a lot of coaches are facing is the unwillingness of the parents to allow their kids to be vaccinated.
Fishley says the perception surrounding girls' football is part of the reason some players are not motivated to get vaccinated.
It's also about how a lot of people view girls' football because schoolboy football always has the support and, parents want to see their sons play and they will do everything possible to get their sons to play. So that may not have been a big factor for them as it is for us.
ISA said it had planned to restart the schoolgirls competition in the Easter term.